Hi everybody, I'm Carrie with the Old Critters. Welcome to our channel. We were not as productive the last couple weeks as we wanted to be, but we were productive because we did work in the house. Now, rain has been a factor. It's monsoon season here in Utah, and it'll just cloud up and rain and nothing flat. And we had an injury to a friend who was going to help us with the roof, and he had to heal. And so Patrick and I just made the best of it the last couple of weeks and did what we could in the house, and that's what we're going to show you today. All right, you guys. Well, Patrick did that foam yesterday, and I said, hey, let's get on this and just get this done. That way we're all done, and we can put our electrical in and put our walls up and be done for the winter for that. So that's what we're doing. He's gonna get going on that. I mean, I'm just here for moral support or if he needs a hand. But I think I'll do the bedroom tomorrow. Alright, you guys, got you in our bedroom. Got the air conditioner going because it is already warm today. And I have so much junk on my dresser right now because just ignore that stuff. I haven't put that away. We're cleaning areas and deciding what to keep and what to throw away. So I've got stuff everywhere. But I told Patrick, while he's getting water for us and my daughter and his sister, I would put the insulation up that we've got left, and you get this done. As much as I can do, I'm going to get done right now. That's done. I just have this to do left. Never mind the mirrors and the guitars. They'll have to get out of the way. Anyway, yeah, I'm happy. I got to do that one little strip there. That fit perfect. And then I'm sure I'll run into other strips that have to go down the other side. But that whole wall needs to be done. It'd probably take at least one roll, maybe a roll and a half. But that whole side, I have something up here I got to do and something up here I got to do. But those will present themselves. I have this much left. So I probably will fill all these other little cracks with that. You know, unless I find it fits better somewhere else. But that's what I got left out of 2 rolls I did. I'm really happy with that. And it's going to make a difference when that sun starts beating down when it comes down. Because that's west. Yeah. I got to have Patrick restaple that one's fallen down. But the rest of them look pretty good. We're about ready to put our ceiling in. As soon as the roof is done. Guys, I thought I'd share this with you in case you're in the market for a really good detector. Usually we would use ceiling detectors for fire and whatnot, but I couldn't find the one that I had, and a lot of you suggested that we get a carbon monoxide detector, and our best friends called us and said, hey, you don't want that stupid heater in your house without a detector. And you know, obviously everybody is correct. So what I did was I couldn't find the one that I had bought previously, and I saw these. They just plug into a power strip, and they detect fire, and they detect carbon monoxide and propane, and all 3. And these work really well. And we're gonna have 2 of these in the house. Right now we have 1 in our kitchen right by our bedroom. We are not going to put the, what is that called? The diesel heater back in the house this year. Even if we do use it, it'll be outside the house. I don't think we're going to use it this season because we have our power divvied up between 3 people. And we're all on separate breakers, so we can run more heaters at one time. So we're good. But I just wanted to share this with you. I don't sell anything on our channel, but I will leave a link. It was from Amazon. Works very good, and it even tells you the temperature in the house and everything else. And I like that. And it, you know, works really good. Play fighting. Okay, thank you guys for coming along with us. We are going to be getting a lot of things done very shortly, and we appreciate you hanging out with us today and all the days that you do that.
Yes, we do.
We have a menagerie. If you haven't, please subscribe. I'm going to put the QR code over here for you. Just scan it with your phone and you can subscribe. It's better than put scan me up there, so I thought I'd just tell you. I'm going to put the QR code right here.
Right there.
For your convenience. But anyway, we have a lot of hodgepodge little things that we're going to be doing really, really shortly. And they're all to the end goal of getting this house done this winter. And hopefully, God willing, we can get it all done and accomplished. And we're waiting for better weather and our friend to heal to get the roof on. Because Patrick needs help with that. Anyway, thanks for joining us. We appreciate you. If you haven't, please subscribe, like I said. And hit the bell for notification. Give us a thumbs up because it really does help our channel. And
Don't forget to comment and share.
Yes, we love your comments. Keep them coming. We don't mind comments. We're one of those people that get excited. Well, a few of those people get excited and we just read the comments and go crazy. So just keep coming.
We enjoy them.
Yes, especially the ones that you guys have been here with us for the longest and keep repeating. You know, you always come through and always say something to us, whether it's a thumbs up or nice, or we know who you guys are.
Yes, we do.
Yeah, and you guys always are positive and kind, and we appreciate that. Trust me. It's not always the case. But we will see you next time, and until we're together again, if you have to.
And you might hunker down.
All right. Baby goose. Quit making my couch furry. Maggle. Okay, I got stuff to do in the kitchen.